What is the process of transferring my Apple gift card balance to my bank account?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be tackling a common question. How can I transfer my Apple gift card balance to my bank account? It's crucial to note right off the bat that, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Apple does not allow direct transfers of gift card balances to a bank account. However, there are a few indirect methods you could consider.
Why can I directly transfer my balance?
Apple's gift card policy, like that of many companies, is set up so that gift card balances cannot be directly transferred to a bank account. This is due to a variety of reasons, such as preventing fraud and ensuring that the gift card funds are used within the Apple ecosystem.
How can I use my Apple gift card balance?
Since direct transfers are not an option, let's look at how you can make the most out of your Apple gift card balance. You can use it for 1. Purchasing apps or in-app content in the App Store. 2. Buying music, movies, and TV shows from iTunes. 3. Paying for subscriptions, such as Apple Music, iCloud Storage, or Apple TV+. 4. Buying products on the Apple Store online or at an Apple retail store.
Indirect ways to convert your balance into cash.
If you're looking to get your balance out in cash, here are some indirect methods. 1. Selling the gift card. There are various online platforms where you can sell your gift card for cash. Be careful to use only trusted websites and remember that you might not get the full value of the gift card in return. 2. Gift or trade. Consider gifting or trading the card to a friend or family member who wants to purchase Apple products or services. They can give you cash in return. So, while there's no direct method for transferring your Apple gift card balance to your bank account, there are ways to make the most out of your balance or indirectly convert it into cash. We hope this video has been informative. Always stay tuned for the most recent policies as terms and conditions can change. Enjoy your Apple experience.